students. Last class we have done active meaning of active voice and passive voice. Today we will do active and passive voice on the basis of tenses, that is simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense. So let's start. Simple present tense first of all. Simple present tense. In this sentences is, am, are plus past participle form of the verb will be used. Let's take example. Anil helps me. This is active form. Here Anil is subject, helps me is verb, and me is object. Now in passive voice, object will come first and subject will go at the last. So I am helped by Anil. This will be in passive form. See, now me has become I am, helps has become helped, helped by, and Anil. So now object has come first, verb is helped by, and subject has come at the last.
3 go.
Second example. They write letters. This sentence is in active voice. Now we will change this in here. There is subject, write is verb, and again letters is object. Now object will come in front, so the sentences will be formed as letters are is present, simple present is, written is past participle form of the word written by, they will become them. This is passive form of the sentence, right? So letters has become subject, are written has become verb, and by them is object over here. Third example. Do boys like games? This is in active form. Now passive form will be here. Are games liked by boys? This is in passive form. Boys here is subject, like is verb, games is object. So now here comes are as a, are games as subject, liked as verb, boys as object. So in these sentences, object, active voice and passive voice, these are the simple present tense in form of the active voice and passive voice. Now next we have present continuous tense. In this we use is being or are being plus past participle form of the verb. For example, my friend is helping me. This is active form of the sentence. Now we will convert it into passive. So I am being helped, helping me will become helped by my friend. me becomes I am, is helping me becomes helped by in past participle form, and my friend will come at the last. So this is passive form of the verb. Let's start. Take next example. They are reading books. This is active form of sentence. Now in passive voice it will be the books are being read by them. This is passive form of the voice. See, reading books becomes the books are being reading becomes read because past participle form of the verb, by they becomes them. Let's take another example. A letter is being written by her. This sentence is in active form. Let's convert it in passive form. Third example is she is writing a letter. This is in active form. Now passive form of this. A letter is being written by her. So this is passive form of a letter. Object comes here as a subject. Is will comes plus being. Writing becomes written by. She becomes her. Next we have present perfect tense. In this we use has been, have been plus past participle form of the verb. For example, he has helped me. This is in active form. Passive form will be I, me becomes I, has helped becomes have been helped by, he becomes him. So this is passive form of the verb. Second example is the carpenter has made the table. This is in active form of verb sentence. Passive form will be the table has been made by the carpenter. This is passive form of the sentence. See, now the carpenter was subject here in the active sentence. So in the passive form it has become the object. Has made has become has been made, and the table was the object here. It has come here as a subject. So this is all for today. In the next class we will do past tense of the form. So do like my video on YouTube and please comment and share. Thank you.